138 Memorandum of Understandings have been signed for the UP Defence Corridor with investment proposals of over 25,000 crore rupees. Pakistan has conducted a successful flight test of Chinese-developed Fatah-II guided multi-launch rocket system that has a range of 400 kilometers. Tanzania is exploring a range of defense opportunities that includes Indian anti-tank guided missiles, surface-to-air missiles, torpedoes and drone-delivered bombs and missiles. China's counter-espionage agency has cautioned Chinese military enthusiasts against posting photos of third Fujian aircraft carrier and J-35 carrier-borne fifth-generation fighter jet. The Indian Navy has recovered parts from the recently attacked merchant vessel MV Chem Pluto in the Arabian Sea, and while Iran has denied any involvement in the attack, the images shared by the Navy resembles the midsection of the Iranian Shahed 136 drone. After studying the highly optimized flight mechanisms of insects and birds, Bangalore-based Tesscorn Systems India Private Limited is developing next-generation UAVs and micro-air vehicles. The existing fleet of 36 Rafale of Indian Air Force and upcoming 26 Rafale Marine for the Navy has already solidified Dassault Aviation's presence in India, and in order to sweeten the MRFA deal, Dassault has offered to make India a global hub for the Rafale that will assemble the aircraft and also export them to other countries. This ambitious plan includes opening a second production line in India and establishing a dedicated ecosystem for spare parts and component manufacturing. India will be able to upgrade and overhaul its Rafale fleet domestically, and Safran will also operationalize an advanced Indian MRO facility for the Rafale's M88 engines in 2024, which will be a game changer for both India and France. After completion of Phase 1 of BMD deployment in the northern region, latest satellite imagery reveals that India is rapidly expanding its ballistic missile defense coverage to major cities in the southern region. A new site near Bangalore has been equipped with the LM-2090 Spectra AESA air defense radar that will extend coverage to major cities such as Bangalore and Chennai, and will fortify its defenses against potential ballistic missile threats. After talks with his Indian counterpart, Russian Foreign Minister Sergei Lavrov has said that India and Russia have made tangible progress in talks to jointly produce advanced military equipment, and Russia is ready to launch the production of modern weapons under the Make in India initiative, that will also be made available for exports to other countries. He also said that Russia respects India's desire to diversify its military hardware suppliers, and it is ready to support India's desire to manufacture platforms needed by India in the country. Today's top 3 comments.